Unveiling the truth, myths and facts about mental illness. Welcome to our journey through the myths and facts surrounding mental illness, a topic that touches many lives yet is often misunderstood. One common myth is that mental health issues are rare. The fact is, they affect millions worldwide, making them more common than many realize. Some believe mental illness is a sign of personal weakness. In reality, these conditions are complex and can be influenced by a variety of factors, including genetics and life experiences. There's a prevalent idea that children don't experience mental illness. However, many disorders can manifest early in life, proving that mental health issues do not discriminate by age. Another myth suggests that people with mental health problems are violent and unpredictable. Statistically, they are more likely to be victims of violence than perpetrators. A widespread misconception is that mental illness is a life sentence. Many individuals find recovery and lead fulfilling lives with the right treatment and support. It's often thought that therapy and self-help are a waste of time. On the contrary, many find these tools invaluable for managing their mental health effectively. The belief that medication is the only solution for mental health conditions is misleading. Treatment is highly individual, with some benefiting from medication, others from therapy, and many from a combination. Many assume that a positive attitude will cure mental illness. While a positive mindset can be helpful, it is not a cure-all. Professional help is often necessary. The myth that mental illness is the result of personal failure ignores the complex interplay of genetic, biological, environmental, and psychological factors involved. The idea that suicide only affects individuals with a diagnosed mental illness is false. Many factors can contribute to someone's decision to take their life, including situational stress. Believing that all therapists are the same can deter people from seeking help. Therapists have different specialties and approaches, making it important to find the right fit. Some think mental health issues are purely psychological. However, research shows there are often biological components, highlighting the need for a comprehensive approach to treatment. Finally, the myth that talking about mental illness only makes it worse is dangerous. Sharing experiences can be therapeutic and is crucial for breaking down stigma and isolation. Thank you for watching. If you find this video valuable, please like, share, and subscribe Physiomedics.